in the eastern part of the Buckeye State, driving a John Deere 4430. No name on this tractor, but he calls it Bad Company. He will be our leadoff calf hook. If we do not change the weight of the sled, he will have the option of keeping his hook or dropping. Here we go, the Mack trailer starting line. Great gen ride, John Deere, Bad Company. So a gorgeous looking Super Farm, brand new this year, got the green flag out. John Deere 8410, Mike Connie in the cockpit. It's called Mr. Mack Daddy. Here we go, John Deere, 7810, Hill Crest Express. Oh, got underneath the turbocharger. Remember the distance remains in the lead is 3:07.3. Mike Connie and Mr. Mack Daddy in the lead. Back to the starting line. Here comes Sweet Revenge. Okay, folks, also, ladies and gentlemen, going around the grandstand, we'll be selling ostpa programs and earplugs. So put your hand up when they come around. Back at the starting line, Joe Streepler, he's about 50 years old. John Deere 4430, the Fiesta Deere. Come on! A lot of great hardware sitting in the office back home, and we're ready to go. Don Rhodes, John Deere 6030, the Gambling Man. Here we go. Great shape throughout the evening as the green flag is out for Neil Slater. Another John Deere 4020 called Burning Money. And also Tim Shipley, crew chief, does some driving on this tractor as well. So Tim Shipley and Julia Connie both driving this tractor throughout the season, the original Mack Daddy. And here comes the John Deere 8410. The second tractor of the Mack Daddy pulling team. Mack Daddy, come on! Super Farm Division, and boy, he's got a good look in International 966. Once again, a grain farmer out of Mount Sterling, Ohio. He calls it the Red Rider, Larry Sheets Jr. Called disposable income. Once again, Dan Parkinson at the starting line. John Deere, 4010, the Bombardier. Okay, the green flag is out. We're ready to go at the Mack Trailer starting line. Eric Brooks, once again, a case 2290, American Ingenuity. To return on the starting line, and then the sled will come back, and that's where they will start the next pull. So it is an option that every puller does have, where they want to start the pulling sled at the starting line, cars left, right, center, and so on. So our final Super Farm tractor coming up, and it's a good one. International 966, Jack Giletto, the Buckeye Binder. And that's going to do it for the